Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sachin's Life Science Academy. Myself Sachin Changond. I am from Karnataka University Dharwad, presently studying MSc final year botany. I have cleared KSET examination in 2018. Today, through this channel, I am going to discuss with you about the entrance exams which will be conducted for BSc and MSc students. For BSc students, exams like IIT JAM, Central University Entrance Test, and State University Entrance Test are meant for MSc entrance exams. Then for MSc students, the CSI NET exam and GATE exam, Indian Council for Agriculture Research exam, Indian Council for Molecular Research exam, and Tata Institute for Industrial Research exam, and Department of Biotechnology Junior Research Fellowship exam, and Karnataka State Eligibility Test exam for PhD entrances and for their lectureship. I wanted to deal the life science topics related to these exams, which will be helpful for these exams. Then, to succeed in any exams, initially we need to come out of our comfort zone. Then we need to face the fear about that exam. Then only we will get the success. For example, in board exams, scoring 90 plus percentage is meant to be successful for an average student. So he must come out of his comfort zone to study hard. Then he need to face his fear about the exams. Then only it's possible to get 90 plus marks in his board exams. That's meant to be success for him. Then weight loss is also such a process in which we need to come out of our comfort zone, like unhealthy diet and unnecessary foods. Then then only after facing our fear about the food, then only the person will achieve loss in his weight. Then learning is not apart from this. Learning new things like learning guitar or learning driving of a car also involves these fear and comfort zones. When we come out of the comfort zone, when we face our fear, then only it's possible to achieve a success. Even reading is also not apart from this. Reading, we have heard this word a lot of times from our childhood. So many people tell us to read, but no one will tell how to read. Initially we need to find out how to read. It's different from each person to person and from aspect to aspect. We will discuss these things in our further videos. Then my channel will help you from moving from your comfort zone to your success zone. I will be standing between your fear zone to success zone. So please subscribe my channel and share as much as possible. Thank you one and all.